In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new files in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, get to Google Drive, upload existing files, and create brand new Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides with confidence. Start by signing in to your Google Workspace account using your organization's credentials. You might land on the admin console, Gmail, or another Google app. That's perfectly fine. What matters is that you're signed in so your work is saved to the right place. Look to the top right corner and click your account icon. This is a quick checkpoint to confirm you're using the correct work account, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles in the same browser. If needed, switch to the correct account here to make sure files go into your organization's drive. Now open Google Drive. You can click the app grid icon and choose Drive, or navigate to Drive directly. Drive is your hub for creating, storing, and organizing all your files across Google Workspace. Inside Drive, you have two main options: bring in something that already exists, or start fresh. To upload an existing file from your computer, click the New button in the upper left and choose File Upload. Select the file you need. You'll see an upload status indicator at the bottom right. Larger files may take longer, so keep your browser open until it finishes. Once it's done, the uploaded file will appear in your drive. To quickly check newly uploaded items, click My Drive in the left sidebar to view everything in your main folder. When you open supported files, such as Microsoft Word documents, they'll open in Google Docs, and you can choose to save them in Google format if you want easier collaboration. If you want to create something new, click the New button again and pick the tool you need: Google Docs for documents, Sheets for spreadsheets, or Slides for presentations. A blank file opens in a new tab. Give it a clear name at the top left so it's easy to find later. And remember, everything saves automatically to My Drive. From there, you can share with teammates and set permissions anytime. That's all there is to it. Sign in, verify you're on the right account, go to Drive, upload existing files with File Upload when needed, and create new docs, sheets, or slides from the New button. Choose the file you need to open in Google Workspace, and to check the newly uploaded files, click My Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Google Workspace.